Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing on this Friday morning? Last trading day of the week. Wow, we here already. Man, the week go fast. Welcome to the Zen Zone. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Come on in. Check us out. Hang out with us. See what we do in this channel here. Okay? We look for momentum stocks and try to capitalize on them. That's it. We don't take it any further than that, right? At 11 o'clock, we switch over to YouTube and we go live there again and we kick it up another notch. All right. So if you're into penny movers, this is what we do here from 7 to 8:30. Today we had rebooting issues, so we had to reboot and get everything back online. That's how it is. You go to sleep, it's one way. You wake up, it's another way. So have no control over that. Let's get it on. Let's see what we could find here. Hope you guys been doing great all week. Hope you finish up green this week. Be green every day and finish the week green. We get 20 trading days each month. So we try to be green for 20 trading days. You could do it. I could do it. You could do it. I know you can. It takes discipline, though. Take discipline. If you see something, let me know. Let's see what we could find here. Boy, Roy, this is pumping up this IVVD, but it's untradeable, man. It's choppy on the way up. We got to look for a reversal at some point. If you see something, let me know. We look at it. We'll kick it off with this IVVD. This thing is just choppy on the way up, right? Way overbought. It continues. She got more to go. 8 more points to the upside. So we know we got to get up about 320 for this thing to really take off over there, right? So we got to get up to 320 here for it to really take off up there, right?
Okay, babe.
IV, IVVD. You see something, you let me know, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going through scanning here. Uh, do me a favor, hit that little heart button over on the side there. Give us a little like. This one dumped. That was impressed. TGL. Searching, searching, searching. Remember, we talked about the market is on a down trajectory, right? It's just doing that. We'll go back and look at, see what the SPY is doing, SPY. Yeah, down she goes, man. Down she goes. Get these out of here. 9. Let's clear this up here so we could see this a little bit better. So we have this on the day, right? So we're inside here, right? We reach the top, right? Let's get this top here. Uh, So we got the top here. We know we're inside here, right? So for me, I need to see we got some support here at the spine. We got some support right here, right? So we need that continuation to go down, see what the spine is going to do either here, either it's going to bounce off this area here, right? Go sideways and then bounce up to continue, or we're going to continue this trajectory down here. So I want to see what 661 looks like when the SPY get here. Okay. Get this out of there. So this would be my target here. I'm watching the SPY. So know that we talked about this zone here. 653 and 661.24 down here. Okay. I want to see it inside here. There's a gap here. Let's just going by this here. All right. So I want to see that. Go back to 5 minutes so we know. So we get that. So I need to see the SPY down here. All right. So that's how I'm going to watch this thing here. All right. So we got the day. Watching on the daily. Stretch this out. We know we already inside this area here, right? We already inside here. So we need to get through this level here, right? And if it bounce start coming back up, you know you got an opportunity to trade outside of here to come back up. If it support this level here. Okay, you got one right here. You see where it's at? We got one there, right? So that's the spot. I put it here because we looked at it. Okay, let's keep it moving. If you guys see something, let me know. Overbought. Stairs, 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 stairs. Unbelievable. This is like untradeable right here. You can't trade this type of stock formation here. Market is market is slow, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing going on in the market. Nothing going on in the market today so far. The market is stagnant. Mm, 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 mm. No volume, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. We traded down here before. $3. We got resistance at $3. You guys see anything? Let me know. I mean, hmm, it's Friday. It's Friday. And with this stuff, you got to be patient. Patient is the key to this madness, right? Patient is the key to this madness. Gotta look for one that got the volume, you know? I don't see anything with volume at the moment. Nothing. Low volume. Low volume. It's down. This thing got beat up. No volume at all. I like stocks that get beat up. They do return a little bit, right? Down here, we came back up, pulled back down, bounce. Mm. We could find one here. This one is up. We'll keep eye on this one. Still have more upside. There's a gap in between here. So there's a gap. It's an IPO. There was an IPO this year. Yeah, I would watch this here. It's the ETF of PLTR. I would definitely watch this thing here. For sure. Put this on your watch list. If you like to trade ETFs. Definitely, it's pulling down now, but yeah, I definitely put this on your watch list. How's everybody doing today? Happy Friday. I don't know if you could, let me look if we could start this thing here. Yeah. It already pulled through. And then you look at this, and then you got to look at PLTR too, right? See what PLTR is doing. PLTR off the bottom here. Like that PLTR there. Let's get some of that. Make our stop loss down here. All right. Watch that.
Last ride, slow and go on the Boulevards ISV LPGA near the Tinker Uplands. US 1 into Ormond Beach, also near the road through West Granada. No problems on 95 I-4, go there. Also looking good on A18 through Flagler Beach. Listen, enjoy your Friday. Be safe on the road. They'll see you back in traffic Monday. I'll see you back in traffic this evening. Everybody had to come back. Oh, it's ridiculous.
We'll be out at the bottom here on PLTR. PLTR is down $8 and down 4.6%. Got to get through that VWAP, right? Anywhere up here we get, if we're gonna get that, we're down $8, almost 5%. Our stop loss would be at the low here. We're struggling to get up all morning, right? Open up at 4, gap down. Got a little gap inside here. Got this little gap there, right? So, on the way back up, it got to close that gap. Struggling to get up there. How's everybody doing today, man? How's everybody today? All right. We know it's Friday. 46 degrees outside. I ain't ready for winter yet, man. I'm not. I love the summer. I love summer. I love the beach. I love the hot weather. I got no control over it. So what? I can't do anything. I could say what I want to say. Sip on some hot tea here. If you guys see something, let me know. PLTR. That's the only one I see have a potential. Unless we're missing something. BCG. We at the low right here. Trying to find support on BCG. Some hot tea. Nothing good like a hot cup of green tea. 8 o'clock. Let's see what's we got going on here. Gonna rip this place apart. Nothing there. Nothing there. Get back. Get back. This one got some to the short side. No volume though. No volume. No volume. No volume. No volume. $3. $3. Somebody give me $3. $3. Going once, going twice. $3. There's really nothing in the market right now. Nothing in the market right now. This gap is closed here by this candle here. We close. So if you're looking at something, this gap close here could be opportunity towards the next resistance here, towards the VWAP. All right. Pressure is down right now. You guys see something, let me know. I'll appreciate that. It's Friday. Again, free fall Friday. Let's see how the market is going to open up today. Nice pullback there on this one. Mm. Yowza, yowza. 222. Get about 30 cents here. That's something here. We were. Oh, this stock was, when we were trading it, it was LPTX. So they must have changed. They changed this stock here. They changed the name. They probably got halted, changed the name, and here we are today, CYPH. It was LPTX before, because we traded here. I was wondering, look, we traded here. LPTX is now CYPH. Yeah, LPTX is now under CYPH. Leap Therapeutics. Oh, so now you know. Mhm. You know it got to break through this top here to go higher that. So put that on your watch list too. Yeah, put it on your watch list. CYPH. That's all I see right now. I don't see much. And we could scalp it. Up 21%, only up 38 cents. See if we could scalp it. I would like that. I would like that. We got 4 minutes on this candle here. 4 minutes on this candle. Watch PLTR. I mean, I know it's not a penny mover, but there's some advantage right there on it. You know, if it goes on to 162.60, you got an opportunity there. I want to scalp this one here. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. There you go. Ah, come on. 3 minutes. We don't need much, man. We don't need much. Scalper, scalper, scalper. It won't stay. It won't stay. It won't stay. Come on. There it goes. Push through, push through, push through. Mm-hmm. No. Oh, wow.
Break your nose so I can fix it. All right, that's not what it was.
This is probably the only trade we're gonna be able to have this morning here. Come on, baby. Give it to us. See, analyzing stocks here. Analyzing stocks here. Couldn't get it, huh? You don't come out on a tail, right? You don't come out on a tail. So I'm not gonna come out on a tail. If I'm gonna lose this to the trade, I'll lose to the stop loss. As simple as that. All right. We overbought a little bit. Could have buy up there again. Man, we could have buy up there off that bounce right there. Oof. Could have double up. Double up. You want to trade into the strength of the candle, not into the spike. Now that's a beautiful candle. If you had got it here, boom, into the strength. We got 5 minutes on this candle now. Let's see if 5 minutes could take us out here, or it's going to stay within this range here, open up above or below. If we open up below, once it finish, right, then we're going to have to get out because we're not going to sustain that type of level buying this high and wait for it to come back. It's already overbought, right? So PLTR. Watch PLTX, the ETF up here at the top here. It already break through that candle, yeah. PLTX. TZ, I mean, sorry. That one candle pullback, boom, find that support on VWAP. Now we inside this zone here. So now the only thing can happen, right? You watch it, we get volume come in, break through the top. We get volume, sellers come in, boom. Buyers come in, bam. Sellers come in, bam. That's the two things you're waiting on right now. And as you could see, it's not happening in PLTR. So the ETF is going up, PLTR is going down. Okay. So that's it. We didn't get to trade much of anything today. And again, if this change direction, yeah, I'll go short. Well, don't forget to if you like to see us continue to trade today, just come on to the TikTok channel, right? Come on in. Check us out. Ain't nothing really going on this morning. CYPH, that's the most action I've seen pretty much this morning. PLTR, the ETF. I would watch that at the top there, 782, and watch PLTR down here at 162.60. That's what I would do right there. And it seems like we're gonna get a I talked about it. I should have doubled up on this one here. But we need it to be down here to double up on it. All right. Always a pleasure, man. It's always a pleasure hanging out with you guys. I mean, 2026 is around the corner. I mean, come on. You want to make money? Let's do it. Let's team up. Let's collabo. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Join us in our Discord. Be a part of the channel. At some point, you know, we're gonna go private at some point. We right there. We right here. Can't get it up. Can't get it up. Can't get it up there. Can't get it up there. We're struggling at the highs here. Right? We're struggling. We're struggling. Big support level there. Pressure is more to the downside there. Yeah. The stop is going to be here. We're not going to give it more than that for sure. No way. Okay. Once again, visit us on our website. Check our merch out. You know, still new to the game. We do personalize your cup, hat. If you do want that, just send us a message at info@thezenzone.us. Right? Come on in. Let us know. We're not going to do this one here. We're just gonna watch this one right here. And PLTR for now. Market is not going anywhere right now. Got some support inside this zone here. And then we got PLTR inside this zone here. We need that to happen. Okay. Break through that VWAP level here. That's all I see this morning. I don't see anything else. We get into the big boy stuff at 9:30, like the Tesla, the AMD, Microsoft, Amazon, the Netflix, AVGO, those big boys like that. Okay. PLTR. Come on. Come on, PLTR. Let's go, baby. Let's get up there. And I'm gonna be watching this. All right. So see you guys at 11 on TikTok. Come on in. The link is in the chat here. As you could see, I just have those two. We don't rush nothing. We get in it. It is what it is, right? We're gonna take our bump and bruises and keep moving. But the day's not over. It's just two trades. As you could see, we didn't have much to choose from today. So it'd be like that sometimes. So I'm gonna hold these position. I got my stop loss ready. And when I hit my stop loss, that be it. Rinse and repeat. Okay, we'll wait for 9:30. I appreciate you guys. Happy Friday. See you at 11.